Hi, Mega Family. Let's recap an incredible weekend with family at Sound of Revival, New York. We checked into the brand new Westin Hotel, modern, sophisticated, and chic. This space was everything. The lobby had so many co-working sections. It's a perfect spot to sit, relax, or even get some work done. The rooms spacious yet cozy with that slick touch that makes you feel right at home. After settling in, we dined at Blu Ember, a new American restaurant. And let me tell you, this restaurant was stunning. It's elegant, spacious, and event ready, perfect for birthdays and intimate gatherings. We indulged in an unforgettable menu of oysters, sushi, lobster roll, mussels, steak, seafood pasta, roasted truffle chicken. You name it, we savored it. Cheers.